Hey, it's Jordan from Roadmonk, back with another video, this time focusing on idea management. With the Ideas module in Roadmonk, you can quickly create, manage, and prioritize an idea backlog that's rooted in the feedback provided by your customers. Ultimately, this feature helps validate your decision-making process when prioritizing one idea over another in your backlog. Let's start with the basics, adding an idea. Navigate to the Idea Prioritization view in the Ideas module. Click on New Idea in the top right corner, then add your idea name, along with the product area, and component as well, if you'd like. You can also add a helpful description. Then click Create. Now the idea will appear in your Idea Prioritization view for that specific product area. Up next, let's see how your ideas can be gathered, sorted, and prioritized based on a few sorting methods. The headers that are listed in the prioritization view are called factors, and as you can see, they can be either positive or negative. By adjusting any of the values associated with an idea, you can see that the scores will automatically change. You can start with one of Roadmonk's built-in prioritization views using the RICE or the value versus effort models, which calculate scores based on preset factors. First, let's look at the value versus effort score, which is calculated by dividing the value rating by the effort rating. Using this score, your highest value, lowest effort ideas will naturally float to the top. Next up, the RICE framework gives a more detailed look at how ideas might impact goals. RICE stands for the 4 factors that are used in this model: reach, impact, confidence, and effort. Overall, the higher the score, the stronger your idea. You can also create a custom view that combines both preset and customized factors. Custom views can better represent your team's criteria for evaluating feedback-driven ideas. In the Change View drop-down menu, select Create Custom View. Add a name. Let's go with retention versus cost for this example. Then click Create. From here, you can start adding factors to your calculation by selecting Add Factors. And if you can't find the factor you want, click Create Custom Factor. From here, add the name of your factor, along with how you want to quantify it, followed by whether it will positively or negatively affect your business. Now, let's move on to prioritizing your ideas. Within Roadmonk, you have the ability to sort ideas using 2 views. The first is by priority, and it's based on whatever your product owner or manager wants it to be. By grabbing the dots on the left-hand side, you can drag and drop ideas into whatever order you want. However, if you want a view that's less subjective and only takes the given score into account, you can switch the view to be by sorted list, an order by the factor that's most important to you. Finally, once all of your ideas are sorted and prioritized, you can promote your ideas to a roadmap right within the idea card. Type in the name of the existing roadmap you want to add it to. And from there, you can either link your idea to an existing item or create an entirely new one. Add any other comments or tag relevant users using the @ sign. And the last thing you'll notice here is the attached feedback on the right side. You can choose to show only important feedback, or uncheck the box to show every piece of feedback that's been attached. It's a great way to help validate ideas and to quickly access all the necessary information when evaluating an idea. So there's your rundown of idea management. Now you have a streamlined way of collecting, organizing, and prioritizing the ideas that matter most to your product and your team.